Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down how does Pay Later with PayPal work in 2025. If you're tired of waiting for payday to grab that must-have gadget or outfit, PayPal's Pay Later feature might be your new best friend. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is Pay Later? It's a buy now pay later service from PayPal that lets you split your purchases into manageable installments. By 2025, this has gotten even smarter with AI-driven recommendations that suggest payment plans based on your spending habits and budget. To get started, you'll need a PayPal account. If you don't have one, signing up is quick and free. Once you're set, here's how it works at checkout. Imagine you're shopping online and the total is more than you want to pay up front. Select Pay Later as your payment option, and PayPal will show you flexible plans, like paying in 4 interest-free installments over 6 weeks or a longer-term loan with low interest. In 2025, they've integrated seamless biometric verification for faster approvals, making it super convenient. Now, let's talk benefits. It's interest-free for qualifying purchases, which means you avoid high credit card rates. Plus, it's secure. PayPal uses advanced encryption and fraud protection to keep your info safe. But, and this is important, there are potential downsides. If you miss a payment, you might face late fees or impact your credit score, especially since PayPal now partners with credit bureaus for real-time reporting. Is Pay Later right for you? It depends on your financial situation. Always review the terms before you commit. In 2025, PayPal has made it easier with in-app financial health tools to help you track your payments. Wrapping this up, Pay Later with PayPal is a game changer for smart shopping. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.